Glen from Eco Power World. Today we're just going through a quick rundown of how to connect a solar panel and solar regulator to charge your battery from the Anderson plug at the front of your van. Hi guys, we've had a lot of requests to find out how to set up a van using the Anderson plug at the front of the van with the EcoFlow and a solar panel. The easiest way to do this is to have a MPP solar controller. In this case here, this is an inner drive unit. It's a 40 amp unit. We have a 200 watt solar panel on the side there, and we've rigged up a little bit of wiring here with two Anderson plugs, one to connect to the solar panel and one to the Anderson plug in the front. Now there's a couple of things that need to be done with this. Obviously these are sold separately. It needs to be an MPPT solar regulator. Okay, so we've set up outside with the solar regulator and the solar panel, attached it to the Anderson plug. We've come inside now just to show you what the parameters are that you need to see when you set this up. And we'll take it from here and point it out at the monitor. Okay, on the panel itself, we're looking at a couple of features that we need to get to. Firstly is that you've got to make sure that your percentage of your battery is below the 3% of your full charge level. So if you've set it at 100%, it has to be below 97%. If you've set it at 80%, it'll have to be about 87%. All right, if that's one of the parameters met, then we can look at the next part of it, which if you went into the input cycle, you will see we've connected at the front. We have now achieved the 12.3 volts, okay, which now allows the input to come in from the solar panel. If it's not achieving the 12.3 volts, you find that the solar panel will not be strong enough or has got not enough sunlight to allow the wattage to go through to the system. Okay, you'll see now in this particular panel, we've got it's a 24 volt 200 watt panel. We're achieving at the moment on today at 3:10 in the afternoon, we're achieving 158 watts out of that solar panel. So currently we're achieving the 158. If you go back to the front screen, in the input we see the same thing. Okay, on the app there's a couple of settings that you can set up for this particular connection. Firstly, go to the input, look at the little settings in the top right hand corner, touch that. Go to advanced settings. All right, you'll see minimum alternator voltage, touch that line and set that down to 12.3 volts. If it's generally at 13 volts, move it down with your finger and touch the tick button and it will be set. Okay, now that we've set up the system, we hope that this explains how to do the setup between the regulator in the front and the solar panel and the Anderson plug. Thank you for listening.